Can stress cause psoriasis? This question is commonly asked because majority of the cases that we see in psoriasis, they come that psoriasis is triggered after the patient had some sort of stress, mental depression, some emotional setback, and after some time they notice that they got psoriasis. That's why this question is asked. But the stress is not before the psoriasis, stress is even after the psoriasis. Because when one knows that he has psoriasis, additionally he gets an information that psoriasis is a lifelong disease. It can never be cured and one needs to take the psoriasis treatment throughout the life. It can only be controlled, but once it's controlled, it can be controlled for some time. The patient may free for some time, and afterwards when it comes back, again he has to start the treatment, and this process goes on and on to the time that when psoriasis stabilizes in the body and it does not go and come, but it can only be controlled to certain extent, but one never gets free from psoriasis. That itself is a stress. Taking a continuous treatment, going to the doctor regularly, spending money regularly, and not getting permanent, continuous freedom from the psoriasis is itself a stress. So we say the cause of psoriasis is stress and the result of psoriasis is also stress. And this is a vicious circle. And as the depression goes because of not having good result of psoriasis, then again psoriasis increases and one needs to work on it. How to get out of stress from psoriasis, and there are a lot of procedures also for that, and one needs to take care of. Moreover, if you are having additional stress in your business, in your life, in your relationship, that additional stress adds and leads to more severity of the psoriasis and less effectivity of the medicines, and the psoriasis again flourishes. So one must be very careful about the managing of the stresses at different levels of his life. One is at the level of his treatment, one is at the level of accepting the psoriasis and managing the psoriasis, and at the level of relationship, your profession, your job, your business, at the level of society. All these emotional levels, social level, one must learn. And it is not impossible to manage the stress. It's possible, one needs these techniques. And at Psoriatreat, we help the patients to develop these techniques to manage psoriasis. And also, we help them to get rid of psoriasis and live the stress-free life and psoriasis-free life for a number of years in their life. Almost, we have examples that 10 to 15 years, people are free from psoriasis and free from stress of psoriasis. At the same time, whenever you get free from psoriasis, you must be careful about the stresses, because any stress again comes in your life. If you don't manage it, it can trigger the psoriasis once again. So be careful of this stress before psoriasis as well as after psoriasis. Thank you.